You know that feeling when your first video suddenly goes viral? That happened to me. I uploaded a simple tutorial how to create outline effect in PixArt and overnight it blew up. That one video didn't just boost my channel, it completely changed my path as creator. Oh, I should introduce myself. I'm Luka, a YouTuber and digital creator who loves making editing tutorials and tech product reviews. Through my videos, I help people turn ideas into visuals, making photos and videos that really pop. To see where it all started, let's rewind to the beginning of 2018. That's where I discovered Filmora. Before that I used DaVinci Resolve, which was too complex. And then came Filmora, drag, drop, done. Within an hour I knew, yeah, this is my tool. My biggest leap came from my tutorial on making animated videos in Filmora. I started mixing AI tools with creative animations, and suddenly the possibilities felt endless. Filmora make it effortless, no technical headaches, just pure creativity. Filmora isn't just software to me, it's a partner that helped me grow. Because I could edit fast and clean, my tutorials reached more people, brought brand collaborations, and built an amazing creative community. Exporting can still take a bit of patience, but good things are worth the wait. Here are my top 3 features I'd love to see in any release. Smart background music generation, Smart Cutout, which is drastically improved in the new Filmora 15 with better accuracy to handle complex edges for more professional results, and AI color palette. My editing style, authentic, minimalist and diverse. I love corner pin and basic 3D effects, simple tools that let me build clean, natural motion. And my dream feature, a relight tool, to add studio-like lighting with adjustable color and intensity. That would be incredible. Whether it's tutorial or tech review, I try to keep things true, creative and easy to follow. I started with curiosity and Filmora turned it into creativity. 7 years later, I'm still discovering new ways to tell stories, and it's just the beginning.